Hi everyone, have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible just because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a fully funded opportunity that you can take advantage of. If this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for your love and your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And yes, if you have not introduced yourself yet, go ahead and do that now and do the same thing. My name is Miriam. I'm just in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Yes, and that is about it. So let's get right into today's business. How to apply for this amazing opportunity. Without wasting your time, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, this is a fully funded fellowship. Yes, it's a fully funded African Graduate Fellowship at AUC. Yes, so it's an opportunity for African students. Yes, so at AUC. The African Graduate Fellowship is a competitive funding program offered by the American University in Cairo, Egypt. Yes, to support high-achieving African students pursuing a full-time master's degree. The fellowship is designed to remove financial barriers and enable talented students across Africa to access world-class graduate education in Egypt. African Graduate Fellowship at AUC eligibility are as follows. Number 1, you must be an African national. Yes, and you must not hold non-African nationality. You can apply to any master's program offered at AUC. So submit a valid TOEFL, IBT, or IELTS academic score as required by this university. Demonstrate financial need. Yes, you must also maintain a minimum GPA of 3.2 for continuing fellows. This means that if you want to continue to receive the scholarship, then you must maintain a CGPA of 3.2 every semester. A minimum CGPA of 3.2 for continuing fellows. Here are some of the benefits. They cover tuition. Yes, tuition fee up to 9 credits per semester. You also get paid. Yes, you get monthly stipend, student services and activities. You get medical services, health insurance, monthly housing allowance, accommodation. Yes, at AUC New Cairo campus, and coverage of remedial English language courses. The fellowship duration is up to 5 semesters plus 1 summer session, extended 7 semesters. For the counseling psychology program, fellowship is reviewed every semester based on academic performance. So make sure that you maintain that 3.2 or even higher so that you're on the safe side. Fellows are required to maintain full-time student status, keep a minimum CGPA of 3.2, complete 12 hours per week of related academic work, complete teaching assistantship training if designed, if you're assigned teaching assistantship. As for the application requirements, you need admission to an eligible AUC master's program, proof of English language proficiency, evidence of financial need. You must demonstrate that you need money, compliance with AUC fellowship and academic regulation. As for the selection criteria, academic excellence, motivation and leadership, potential financial need, ability to maintain strong academic performance. For more information, go to the official website. Yes, so it's a fully funded master's opportunity for African students. And guys, I would implore you to please go ahead, go for it quickly. I say, don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on all these opportunities. It's happening in Cairo, in Egypt. So this is an amazing opportunity that you don't want to miss out on. Interestingly, and just all you need to do is just apply for any master's program. It doesn't necessarily restrict you to a particular field of study. So yeah, why not take advantage of it? And if you haven't done so already, like this video. If you have not done so, share this video. If you have not done so, introduce yourself in the comments. Let me know what you want to see more of on my channel. I mean, I'm constantly researching all these opportunities for you guys, and I have a lot of scholarships with full funding that I'll be sharing in my subsequent videos, in my next video. So make sure that you don't miss out on them. Yes, and there are some countries where a lot of people are not looking at, but there are opportunities there. Opportunities are waiting you there. But most times people look at United States, UK, Canada, in Vietnam. Yes, I'll be sharing a lot of scholarships that you can apply for in Vietnam. It's all fully funded. So if you don't mind, if you're someone that doesn't mind, just tune into this channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and do well to share this video with your friends. I mean, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I also have fully funded conferences on my channel. If you have not seen my previous videos, I don't know what you're waiting for. These conferences have deadlines, and sometimes they have it every year. So even if it's expired, you can always wait the next time it opens, but you have to be on time. You have to put it on your calendar, or you come to this channel every time, because I'll always remind you that, hey, this festival, this conference is now open. Oh yeah, apply or anything. Because a lot of people, they apply for these opportunities and they don't tell anyone. They don't even share it. They just jackpot on their own, and then you tell them, that's why you have me. That's why you have me in your corner. Oh yeah, don't sleep. Join the family. Subscribe to my channel. Don't dull yourself. Oh, me, I'm already an American citizen. I wanted to say I'm an American citizenship. I'm already an American citizen. So me, I'm not the one that needs it. So if you want all these opportunities, join this family. Don't you want to become an American citizen someday? Like, yes, there are other pathways to becoming a citizen of a country. So go ahead and join this family in case you have not. Like this video and share this video with your friends. Tell your parapor, tell your friends, share this video in your church groups, in your mosque groups, to all your parapor members, in your WhatsApp groups, your WhatsApp communities, Reddit, Nairaland, Twitter, everywhere. Where you guys do bazzbos, go and bazzbos this information with them. So at this point, I'd like to say big thank you to my amazing Patreon members. Thank you. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. We're good. If you want to join my Patreon community, please go ahead and use the link in my description. And to all my channel members, thank you. You guys rock. Thank you for supporting my creative journey. If you want to also join my Patreon, my channel membership, you can find the join button right next to the subscribe button, and join my channel membership, and we can take it from there. And yes, if you have any question for me, don't hesitate to let me know. This is not just my channel, it's your channel, it's our channel. Good news, guys. I am now open for business inquiries and collaboration. I can have your products beautifully displayed behind me. So if you would like to collaborate with me, go ahead and send me an email. Send an email to ceo@chassiseverything.com. I take it again, ceo@chassiseverything.com, and you can find it in the description as well. And guys, we also now have a sign up email list. Yes, go ahead and sign up. Join my email list. I'm going to put the link in the description as well as in the comments. And guys, one more thing, join my Telegram community. Yes, so I now have a Telegram channel. Go ahead and also do the needful. You know what time it is on this channel. And if you want me to do research tailored to your specification, also let me know. You already know by now that your wish is my command. Oh yeah, what do you want to see more of on this channel? What do you want me to do research on? Let me know. I mean, your wish is my command. Last night I slept at 2 a.m. researching all these opportunities for you guys. So please don't even sleep on it. So guys, I also have a beautiful information for you guys. Yeah, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell in case you have not, and share this video with your friends. For those of you that love movies, by the way, if you are someone that loves film, I'm going to be introducing you to a platform where you get free movie recommendations, free, fantastic, the best of the best of the best movie recommendations. It is called filmcurator.io. Filmcurator.io. You're welcome. If you use my link, it is free of charge forever. So use my link to join this program. So you are welcome. So I see you guys in my next video. Don't worry, I've got you guys covered. I have a lot of fully funded scholarships for you guys. So tune in to my next video, and I'll see you there. Take care. God bless. Bye for now.